Hey guys, good morning. So I have finally made it. Oh my goodness. My last exam, I can't wait. I cannot wait. Oh, the day has come. I am so happy. I look forward to these next couple of weeks off. The only sad thing about it, I wish I was going home. I wish I was going home, but unfortunately that is not the case. So, but that's okay. That is not too bad. I gotta go hurry up now and get going. I am running a little bit late. I don't want to be late for my exam. It's at 10 o'clock, so just on my way, guys, to go to get out of here so I can go. Oh, I didn't even make my tea. And I was up till 4 o'clock this morning. So I'm going on 4 hours of sleep. It's like that even when I was working, I never lost so much sleep. But that's okay. And Granny always say you want good, you nose have to run. So I believe that that's true. You want good in life, sometimes certain things you just gotta do and get her done. Just get her done, get it out the way, do what you have to do. And for those that are going through school and know the struggles, yes, the struggle is real, but don't give up. Continue to push. One day out of 10, you must make it where you want to go, right? Everybody have a dream. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you, happy Vlogmas Day. What are we in, 12? Yes, today's Wednesday. Happy Vlogmas Day 12, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 12. 13 days till Christmas. The days are going by so fast. So fast. And what, 13 or is it 19 days until the new year? Something like that? Wow. Time is going. Alright guys, I'm ready. Alright. It's time to go. They say time waits on no man, so you need to get out there. Okay guys, I am ready to go. Whew. I will catch y'all in a bit.
Lady, park the car, say park the car now. Alright, one man. Chinese, watch it now. Every day, I them girl upsetting, but I'm patient.
Lee waiting, and on my time I'm wasting. And on my time I'm wasting.
How do you not know how to drive this Lexus? Like,
yeah, they said the woman is struggling. She don't want to hit
with the big old Lexus,
her nice Lexus.
Rubbing the car and just park.
I'm just in the mall, finish my exam, so I'm just with my girlfriend. We are walking, not doing much. Oh, they got some cute police in here like no tomorrow, and this mall is packed, and it's only 1:45. That is too crazy. Guys, so I am home. Oh, I'm so glad the day is done. I was looking forward to it just being over with, but I'm so glad it's over. And now I can relax. Oh, my Christmas vacation time is pretty much, it's here. I just wish I was packing to go home. I wish I was packing to go away, but that's okay. We're gonna end up taking a little mini vacation anyways within where we are. So yeah, I just wanted to come and tell you guys that I'm all finished and oh, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. Up till 4 o'clock this morning, only a 4 hour sleep. Now I definitely need to go take a nap. But before that, I gotta go clean and just get the house together before I go do any of that. Hey guys, so I am just here in my bed relaxing. I am exhausted. I need to go sleep, take a nap. But I haven't even eaten dinner yet. And I need to clean, but I am too tired to clean tonight. Maybe I will pick it up tomorrow and get it done. So I'm just actually sitting here watching hair videos. Oh gosh, so this is what I do when I just want to relax. Just sit here, watch hair videos on how to protect my natural hair. That's what I'm up to. The kids are out in the living room watching TV. Yeah, so the kids are in the living room watching TV. I am just chilling like a villain. I'm just laying down. I am exhausted, but boy, I am so excited that exams are finished. I am so excited that they're finished, no more, and it's my break time. So yeah, I get to finally get to relax and catch up on some house cleaning stuff that I have missed. So I'm gonna end up catching up on that. Whatever I haven't done, I'm gonna make sure that I get done and just organize myself for the new year. So yeah, there's a few things that I want to have accomplished, so I'm getting that done. And yeah, some pertaining to some other things. So I'll still be busy, even though not going to school. I'll definitely be busy. But yeah, I'm just here hanging out, not doing much. I am exhausted. Hey guys, so I am just having something to eat. I'm relaxing, watching some TV. I'm catching up on my favorite, a few of my YouTubers. So yeah, I'm not doing much. I am exhausted, so I'm just here eating, watching YouTube, and that's pretty much all I'm doing for tonight. I am exhausted. We will see what is up tomorrow. So I am going to call it a night, guys. I hope you like this vlog. What is this? This is Vlogmas Day 12. Can you believe it's Vlogmas Day 12 already? December is already flying by. So I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Guys, good morning. So I am up and I am home. Happy Vlogmas Day 11. So yeah, I'm actually just gonna be home today, relaxing. Well, I guess if you call studying relaxing, no, it's not quite. I'm just gonna be home today, studying. I don't think I'm doing too much. I'm just making myself some breakfast,